Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to make passive income online. Passive income is a great way to earn money without having to work actively all the time. So, let's dive right in and see how you can make passive income online. First off, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is when you promote someone else's products and earn a commission for every sale you make. One of the best things about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create any products yourself. You simply need to find a product that you believe in and promote it to your audience. You can do this by writing blog posts, making videos, or posting on social media. Another way to make passive income online is through advertising. If you have a blog or a YouTube channel with a decent amount of traffic, you can monetize it through advertising. You can do this through Google AdSense, which is an advertising program that allows you to display ads on your website or channel. The more traffic you have, the more money you can earn. Next up, we have online courses. If you have a skill or expertise in a certain area, you can create an online course and sell it to others. This is a great way to make passive income because you create the course once, and then people can buy it for years to come. You can create courses on anything from cooking to programming to personal finance. Another way to make passive income online is through investing. You can invest in stocks, real estate, or even cryptocurrency. Investing can be risky, so it's important to do your research and make informed decisions. But if you invest wisely, you can earn a significant amount of passive income. Slide appears with examples of investment platforms. Host. Lastly, we have creating and selling digital products. This includes things like ebooks, printables, and templates. You can create these products once and then sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. The more products you have, the more passive income you can earn. Slide appears with examples of digital product platforms. Host, and there you have it, folks. Those are 5 ways to make passive income online. Remember, passive income takes time and effort to set up, but once you have it in place, you can earn money while you sleep. Let us know in the comments which method you're going to try out. Outro music plays. Host, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. We'll see you in the next one.